Growth comes from change. But change is not always easy. The strength of a company lies in maintaining tradition while changing through innovation.
My name is Jens Meiser, Managing Director of Meiser GmbH Co.KG. I lead this company in its third generation. We develop and produce textiles, from coated technical textiles used in a variety of advanced industries, automotive, aviation, healthcare, to more traditional textiles used in clothing. We manufacture these products here in Albstadt with 50 employees in 3 shifts. We are fully integrated in our customers' production. That means that we offer products and processing that are fully integrated in their production chains.
We have to earn our customers' trust every day. At the same time, we have to provide the best working conditions. We depend on our machines for both.
Machine breakdowns present a worst-case scenario for unplanned downtime. They cause chaos. We follow emergency routines, but we can only react to it. We cannot act upon it. It stops advanced planning. We have to quickly assess what the situation is and decide what measures to take. The goal of these measures is always to resume production as soon as possible, but that's incredibly disruptive to the regular operation of a line. The advantage of AiSight is that we can get information in advance and integrate it into our planning. We are given the time to make analyses. Is there a problem? When is it coming? What is it? What are the countermeasurements? By accurately predicting incidents, we see enormous budget and human resources savings.
Technology can solve problems for businesses, but it can only do so by taking their needs into account.
I am Matthias, founder and CEO of AiSight. We are based in Berlin. We're a young company, currently with 80 people on the team. We are developing a solution to optimize production facilities. This is a sensor kit that can be very easily attached to production machines. Based on vibrations, magnetic fields, and temperature readings, we can determine the state of a machine and tell exactly how the machine is changing, if there is damage, and when the machine will fail. We can say when the next maintenance should be, if it needs to be optimized, and if the production process in general needs to be optimized. In my previous job at Porsche, I was heavily involved in the optimization of production lines. I looked at many solutions offering predictive maintenance. I saw that there were still many problems, and above all, that the solutions were extremely expensive, took a long time to integrate, and, as a result, were slow to deliver value to the customer. And this is exactly the reason we founded AiSight: to make these solutions cost-efficient, easy to integrate, and to create value for the customer immediately.
Unplanned machine downtime can be avoided with AiSight. Easy.